everybody.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Chris and Scott's Colorado Adventures. We're at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science today.
So excited.
What are we here for?
So cool. We're here for the Pixar exhibit.
Yeah, Science of Pixar. And it is 50 exhibits within this that shows you how they make Pixar movies.
So we'll walk you through some of the stations and show you what's going on here.
Absolutely. What's your favorite Pixar movie?
I don't know. I like so many. Up is up there. Did you see what I did?
No, I don't think you did.
But I love Toy Story and I love Coco and I love Nemo's. I love all of them.
No, they're all good.
Yep.
There's not many that aren't very good from Pixar.
I am wearing my Planet.
Yes, you are. Pizza Planet.
Pizza Planet shirt, so.
I'm wearing Duke Kaboom.
All right, let's go and check this place out.
Go, let's go.
Modeling, digital sculpting creates virtual 3D.
Cool.
Let's look at some more over here. Oh, Russell. Cute. There's Dash. Oh, he's cute. Look at Remy. And Eve from Wally.
I like art.
Oh yeah, art. Monsters Inc. That's cute. So it's on the other side. Brave. One of the triplets. Luigi.
I picked Woody.
So you pick a character.
Yep. 2. Unrestrained. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I see. So it's just, that's all you've got. Then they add in extra. And now
You can bend.
you can bend. And then they bring it down even more. And every time, now you have 7. Now
That's neat.
that's super cool. Bricks determine how a character moves and allows animators to create moves. So much in here to do.
So much.
Animate Mike's wave.
There is just so many things to do here. You just could spend a long time here.
Yep. Well, look at that. You start it, and you want it to end there, or even there, or there. You want it linear. Let's see, it means your basic. If you want a robot. Oh, weird.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
That is cool.
So the shape or the curve used to create the in-between pose can make a gesture look friendly, sarcastic, or enthusiastic.
That's awesome. This is face rigging. So expressions. Oh, move her eyeball. I don't think she should be angry.
No, you need to make her eyes big again. Maybe not that big.
There you go. And it's all
But now
just...
she has crazy eye.
Yeah, she does have crazy eye. It's just, all you're doing is just tweaking. That's crazy. So you have your lower.
But like it shows you the expression of shock, how to make her
Yeah. Upper.
make your eyes real wide.
Yep. And then go back to your left one again. That's eyebrow bone.
Eyebrow.
Me too. There you go. That's crazy.
That is.
Neat. And it's all just changing these rigs, changes how it works.
Finger expression.
Yep. Awesome. So it really is pretty much all the different steps in the movie. You had the facial, the character animation. We have surfaces, so you're doing the background stuff. You've got the surfaces like you can change the hoods of the car. You got animation back there, sets and cameras, crowd simulation. Let's check that one out. All right, surfaces. So you get to pick how you want the hood look.
So look at that crowd. Do that one.
Rain. Oh, that's cool.
That's cool looking.
That's really cool. 51.
Ooh, look at the sparkly.
Oh, and then you can take it off. Make it Danico. That's awesome. To program natural variety. Go look at that. That's where you go in. It looks like the ant for ants. Let's go and see what that is.
Programming natural variety.
So we're going to change our grass.
Adjust the rules to create a field of grass.
How do we do this? Oh, I see.
So that's your blade number of grass. You want a lot or not a lot?
I want them. Let's see. Oh, so that's hardly any. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, now it's clumpy. You know what? I want it to be dying. Oh, that's cool. Length, curvature, so if you want it to be more straight. And then if you want a lot or a little bit curvature. Let's get some more. Look at that.
So generating millions of blades, manually modeling millions of unique blades of grass takes too long, so Pixar wrote a program to generate them automatically.
That's crazy.
So they created a program to be able to...
Yep. To animate all these fields of different, and then you can have your, so now it's long again. Long grass. And
They think of everything.
They sure do. That's awesome.
All kinds of like Instagram walls in here.
Yes.
It's really cool.
For most of the movies, yeah.
Yeah. Explore how cameras frame a scene.
Christmas.
You're on the screen now. Narrow. Nope, can't see you. So when you do a wide range, you can see it.
Wide range?
Mm-hmm.
They're not there.
Except there's a big glare.
That's wide range.
Cool. That's a cool Wally. I want that for our basement. These awesome Instagram walls. So cool.
That's really cool. Crowd simulation.
A school of fish.
So, tightly packed or not so tightly packed? Oh, look.
Oh, look at that.
Number of groups, number of match the direction are all different.
This will separate the fish distance between the fishes.
Yeah. And again, just moving the levers do this.
You want more than one spool, you can break them up.
That's crazy. All different directions. Cool. This is Inside Out. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Story and art. Modeling. Rigging. Surfaces. To sets. Animation. Simulation. Lighting. And then you're rendering your final.
What do you think of this so far? This is really neat.
So far, super cool. I really like it. It's all, it just really, you learn how much is put into this, to these Pixar movies and the animation. And it's pretty crazy. I mean, they have every little thing, the facial expressions and the grass and then the fish. And
the programs that they've made to make these movies is unbelievable.
Yeah, yeah. It's really crazy. And they represent pretty much all the movies. I mean, I'm seeing here, so it's pretty awesome. And then all the Instagram worlds are cool.
Yeah.
And they got the big statues.
Very interactive.
Yeah, totally interactive. And it's cool for little kids. There's enough to do, but there's also like
It's also entertaining for adults.
yeah, really cool. So.
It's kind of like we get our little piece of Disney away from Disney.
Kind
in our own
of.
backyard a little bit. I'll
Sure.
take what I can get.
All right, we're covered by Disney. I guess that would be it. All right, let's go see what else there is.
Okay, let's go.
We have lighting. This is interior light controls, sunlight controls.
Oh, it's my favorite.
There you go.
So left light lamp,
Oh, look at that.
the right light.
So if it's brighter or less, and the light how it reflects on everything. Oh,
Brightness.
that's sunlight. If it's darker,
Outside. I adjust the color.
oh yeah. And then what's the?
See it in the.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
It's like the sunlight if it's changing throughout the day.
Wow. Fascinating.
That's crazy.
All right, rendering.
Process of determining the color of each pixel in the image.
So you select your image.
We'll do fur density.
Okay.
Well, let's see. Or we got crowd size.
Oh, I just watched that the other day.
Oh wow, look at that. Samples per pixel. Appearance. Number. Which one do you want to do?
Do that one.
This one?
Funny.
Okay. So you can have some fur.
Oh, the fur density.
Yeah, look at that. More fur.
They're all fluffy.
Oh, super fur. You can really see it in him.
Yeah, in his face.
Examine the image and render time. Oh wow, so it would take 6 hours. How does that? How does the rat's appearance change with additional fur? Oh, so it takes 6 hours to do that.
Wow.
3 hours to do this, and that's how it looks. Just the fur.
Here's a good picture of it.
Yeah.
The less fur and the more fur, what it looks like.
And 2 hours to do the less fur.
Wow. That's cool.
That's crazy.
Let's check this out.
Rendering in Coco. Create an image from this virtual 3D scene. Okay. Render. Oh, look at that. Actual time, 15 hours. 28 hours. 32, 37. Wow. 57. 70 hours. Almost there. 85. 89 hours to do that scene. That's crazy. 3.5 days.
Let's go look at that. Let's get a picture with that.
This one's lighting, so you can change. Look at that. You can change the lighting behind Dory. You can make it look like it's water.
Yeah, the water.
Yeah. It's all about lighting on that one. There's so many different exhibits here, different interactive fun.
Stop motion animation.
Okay, so you do
Kind of
that.
looks like the Pixar lamp a little bit.
Yep. Nope. Live camera. Take our photo.
And you move it a little bit. Change the position. Take the photo.
It's going to be a little jump.
And the last one.
Okay, and then we're going to play it.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, so it looked like he was jumping.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. That's neat.
Neato. Okay, so we're doing animation frame by frame, observing the acting, slowly turning it. Pixar movies are made 24 frames per second, so every second, 24 movements per second. So you can see how slow it is, her reaction. And Edna's reaction as well. And we're just doing that with a little wheel. You know what this makes me think of?
What?
Incredicoaster. And now I want to ride the Incredicoaster. Darling.
That's all you get. Sorry.
All right, so that was our trip down here.
It was fun.
It was fun. I really enjoyed it. There's over 50 exhibits, or
Between the exhibits and the displays, there was over 50.
There's over 50, and it's really cool. And like you said before, it's through every movie, and you can just kind of zip through it. And it goes until April 5th. It's been here since October, and right now it's not busy. And this is mid-January. It'll get busier as it's getting closer to closing, but we're here on a Sunday afternoon, and we didn't have to wait too much to get in any of the little simulation display exhibit things.
No, not at all. Very educational for the kids. It just shows you all the different, the production pipeline of what it takes to do a Pixar film. So, if you guys are into Disney and Pixar films, even just
Movies,
yeah, it's really cool. It's a good thing to come and check out.
Very interactive and very, very cool. So, who knew education could be so much fun?
Oh, it's just so much fun.
And then I noticed as you leave, you exit through a gift store, as is the Disney way.
What?
That's crazy.
Blinders on. All right.
That's right. All right, so thanks for joining us today at Chris and Scott's Colorado Adventures. Make sure you hit that notification, subscribe,
And
thumbs up the video. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
I don't believe it.
Oh, look at this. Gifts for all.
Oh, I like the shirt. There's an Andy shirt.
All kinds of stuff in here.
I love me some
Like your shirt. Oh, that's cute.
That's really cute.
Oh, look. Oh, look at that. Look at there's all kinds of cute stuff in here. Puzzles. Oh, look at the Lightning McQueen backpack. I like that. That's cute. What is your guys' favorite Pixar movie? Is it Cars? Is it Toy Story? Is it Nemo? Is it Brave? Is it The Incredibles? Monsters Inc? What is your favorite? Put it in the comments below. Let us know.
Oh my god.
Keep going. Is it fun? Is it almost like being at Disneyland?
It is almost like I'm in the teacup.